Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to share NGL link on Facebook Story. If you want to share your NGL link on Facebook Story, it's a great way to let your friends and followers ask you anonymous questions across platforms. By sharing your link through Instagram and linking your accounts, you can make sure your story reaches both Instagram and Facebook audiences seamlessly. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the NGL application and copy your link. To do this, tap on Copy Link below your link. Next, tap on the Share button. Now, tap on Next Step and then select Share on Instagram. This will open Instagram Story Editor. On Instagram, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Then, tap on Link. Now, paste your NGL link in the provided field. After that, tap on Done. Next, adjust the position of the link on your story. You can move it around to make sure it looks good and is easy to tap. Once ready, tap on the arrow at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Sharing Options. You will see a message saying share with your Facebook friends too. Tap on Continue. To share your stories across apps, you need to add your accounts to the same account center. Tap on Account Center and select your Facebook account. Then, tap on Continue. Now, go back and tap on Share. Finally, tap on Share to your Facebook story. Now, your NGL link will be visible on both your Instagram and Facebook stories, allowing your friends and followers to easily access it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.